Good day, mate. Ever been in a pickle with those pesky hiccups? Well, don't you worry. I've got some ripper tricks to help you get rid of them in a jiffy. First, you might want to try holding your breath. Sounds simple, right? But it's all about the control. Time it for around 10 seconds, then slowly exhale. Repeat this a couple of times until those hiccups are gone. Not a fan of holding your breath? No worries. Try sipping some water. But here's the twist. Do it upside down. Yes, you heard it right. Upside down. It might seem bonkers, but it's a well-known hiccup hack. And if all else fails, there's always the good old scare tactic. But remember, it's all in good fun. So next time those hiccups come knocking, you know what to do. Catch you later.